going back and selecting an email. I have some actions here. This ribbon appears once you click on an email. A good trick is, let's say it's 4:45 in the afternoon, and you receive an email that you want to make sure to pay attention to first thing in the morning. You don't have time, 15 minutes, you're working on a project, you can't stop that and respond to this email. You can select that email, and in your action ribbon up above, click on the symbol. It's the snooze feature, and you can set a time for it to reappear as unread in your inbox. So I want to make sure I don't ignore it. It doesn't get lost in my emails in the morning. I can set it, I can snooze it, and it'll return back into my inbox as unread tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. So in my snooze folder on the left-hand side, you'll notice I have one snooze email, but it will reappear at 8 a.m. tomorrow morning as unread, and I can take care of it then.